Welcome to the Technical CAD. In this learning session, I will make you learn Autodesk Inventor from the scratch. First of all, what is Inventor? Inventor is a CAD software that provides professional grade 3D mechanical design, documentation and product simulation tools. Work efficiently with a powerful blend of parametric, direct, freeform and rules-based design capabilities. In this video, I will show you how to install the student version of Autodesk Inventor. Let's go into the video. Open your browser and then enter Autodesk Inventor. Now select the first option, Autodesk.in. So after opening a page, you will find a download free trial. Don't go for this because it is only for 1 month period. Only industrialists will opt for this option, because after the trial they will buy the software. But as a student, we have to go for menu. Here go for downloads, and here you will get an option called free student software. Click that. Here you can select what software you need. So I am going for Inventor. Here the website prompts for sign in or create account. So if you don't have an account, please create one. If you have an account, please sign in. So after signing in, it will show your details here. So then opt for a version. Always opt for updated version, which will have a better options. And next, coming to the operating system, go for Windows 64. Previously it will give for 32-bit also. Nowadays it's not coming for 32-bit, so we have to opt for 64. Go for English. Here the license details will be found here. And next, go for install now. So as soon as you click the install now, a pop-up will open to download. So please select OK. So here I have already downloaded my version here. Okay, that's all about how to install the software. Please download it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe. Also press the bell button so that you will get the updates. Thank you.